Let's learn the animal's name. Cat. It's a pet animal. Dog. It is also a pet animal. Rat. Cow. Lovely cow. Lion. It's a wild animal. Duck. It's also a pet. Bat. Horse. Bear. It's a wild animal. Rooster. It's also a pet animal. Zebra. It's a wild animal. Monkey. It is also a wild animal. Tiger. It's also a wild animal. Fox. Wolf. A wild animal. Kangaroo. It lives in a jungle. Panda. Camel. Deer. Sheep. Polar bear. Monkey. Hamster. Cheetah. Wild animal. Rhinoceros.